Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this three-dimensional Christmas angel. I used an F hook. It measures about 5 inches. You can make it smaller, just go down hook sizes. And the pattern is down below. And I used white medium worsted yarn. Okay, so let's get started. In the magic circle, I'm going to work 6 single crochet, and if this is your first time, slip knot into the magic circle, and is a link down below on how to do the magic circle. Grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 for a single crochet. Continue until you have 6 in total. Pull it close and slip stitch in the first single crochet to create your first round. Now you're going to work 2 single crochet in each stitch around, which will be a total of 12 single crochet. So 2, and then in the next work 2, and then repeat. Slip stitch should join for this round. I like to use my tail as a stitch marker. You can do that too if you like. In the next round, work 2 single crochet and then 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochet. So the pattern is 2 1 2 1 until you get to the stitch marker. Slip stitch in that first stitch and then work a single crochet in each stitch around, which will be 18 single crochet. So every stitch gets 1 single crochet until you go to the beginning. Okay, so you're back at the beginning, and instead of working a slip stitch, I'm going to just work single crochets around, which is just another 18 all the way around, no increases or decreases. Now I'm going to work 2 single crochet together, so insert your hook into the next, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and then 1 single crochet in the next, and then 2 single crochet together, decrease, and then 1 in the next, and just repeat that all the way around until you get to the beginning, 2 together, and then 1, and then 2 together. So this is 2 together. This is forming the head of this angel. Just repeat that until you go all the way around. Now I'm going to work 2 single crochet together, decrease this round, so each stitch gets 2 single crochet together. So grab the yarn, pull through all 3 loops, and then work that all the way to the stitch marker. Now I'm going to chain 2 and work 2 double crochet together in each stitch around, which you have 6 stitches, so then after this you will have 12. So 2 double crochet in the next stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then repeat 2 double crochet together. work that all the way to the beginning. I'm going to repeat slip stitch in the chain 2, and then I'm going to repeat that round again with a chain 2, and then 2 double crochet together in each stitch around, so you'll have a total of 24 double crochet. So each stitch gets 2 double crochet again. Repeat that all the way to the beginning. Okay, slip stitch into the chain 2, and then chain 2 again, and then another repeat of 2 double crochet in each stitch around for a total of 48 double crochet. So double crochet 2, and then double crochet 2 again until you get to the beginning. Slip stitch into the chain 2, chain 1, single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 3, skip the next stitch, and slip stitch and chain 3, and repeat that for a total of 8 times. Slip stitch and then chain 3, slip stitch into the next 2 stitches, and then single crochet in the next 6 stitches. So 6 single crochet, then slip stitch into the next 2 stitches again, chain 3, then skip a stitch and slip stitch for a total of 8 times. Slip stitch in the first single crochet to join, chain 1 single crochet in the next 6 single crochet, skip all the chain loops and slip stitch on the opposite side on the single crochet. There's going to be 2 slip stitches that you did, and then there's the single crochet. You're going to slip stitch right into that single crochet. Single crochet in the next 6 single crochet, slip stitch in the single crochet to join, skip all those loops, and then right in that first single crochet on the opposite side you're going to slip stitch. Now you're creating this skirt part of the angel. Chain 1, single crochet, and then chain 3, single crochet in the next stitch, and then chain 3, and then repeat that around. Slip stitch in the first single crochet to join, slip stitch in the center first chain, chain 1, single crochet in the loop, chain 3, single crochet in the next loop in the chain space, and then chain 3, single crochet in the next, and repeat around, chain 3, repeat until you get to the beginning, slip stitch in the single crochet to join, slip stitch into the chain loop, chain 1, single crochet, and then chain 4, single crochet in the next loop, and then chain 4, repeat that around till you get to the beginning, and then single crochet in the next, and then chain 4 and repeat. Slip stitch in the beginning, single crochet. This is a repeat. Slip stitch in the chain loop, and then chain 1, single crochet, and then chain 4, and just repeat that around just like last time. A chain 4, single crochet in the next chain loop, and then chain 4 again, and repeat that until you get to the beginning. Okay, slip stitch in the single crochet back at the beginning, and then slip stitch into the chain loop again, then chain 1, and then single crochet, and then chain 5 this time, and then single crochet in the next and chain 5, and repeat that all the way around. A chain 5 after your single crochet in each chain loop. Slip stitch in the single crochet, slip stitch into the chain loop, and then chain 1, and then single crochet, and then in the single crochet in the center, yarn over, insert into the center, single crochet, double crochet, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, work a double crochet again, chain 1, and a double crochet. And then in the next, work a single crochet, and then work your double crochet again in that single crochet previous place, and then chain 1, and then double crochet, and then chain 1, and then double crochet. So that's 3 double crochets in that single crochet place, and then in the chain loop work a single crochet, and just repeat that all the way around until you get to the beginning. Slip stitch in the beginning, single crochet, and then you'll weave in all your ends and your angel is complete. So you're going to just slip stitch again if you like, and then you can fasten off, pull through, and then take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. This is complete now, and you can place yarn in the center of the head if you'd like, and place it on your Christmas tree. The pattern is down below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.